Hi guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another must-have Monday. So today I'm going to be doing a video that has been highly requested by a lot of you guys, and it is my skincare essential slash my skincare routine. So you guys are always commenting on my skin, telling me I have beautiful complexion, which thank you guys so much for mentioning that, but it's definitely been a struggle for me to get to the point to where I am right now. So today I decided to go ahead and just film this video. I have nothing on my face, no makeup wise. I did do my skincare, but I have no makeup on because for me, the goal with my skincare journey was to be able to, go out in public like this and be confident in the skin that I'm currently in. So I've currently gotten to a point to where I can do that. A lot of times I don't even wear makeup. I just slap on some sunscreen and then I am out the door. So I'm gonna share with you guys my skincare routine. So I'm gonna do literally head to toe. So something that is really important to me is good shave care as well. So the only razor I use, if you guys have watched my CVS videos, you know the only razor I use is the Mach 3 by Gillette. So this is the Mach 3, and I think that one of the reasons why this razor is better than all the other ones on the market, I'm talking all of the women's razors I have tried, and every single time I shave my legs with any women's razor, I always get this like burning sensation right after. If I'm gonna rinse off the shaving cream, I always get that stingy burning feeling. Never have I ever gotten that from the Mach 3. So this is why I choose to use this razor, because I have very sensitive skin, and this does not leave that burning feel, and it does a really good job at obviously shaving my legs. But I think that the trick to this guy is there's not a lot of scented like moisture pads like some of the other ones. They have kind of like tropical scents or girly scents that are on the razor. So I think that this is why I don't get the skin irritation. But yeah, it does a great job. So if you haven't tried this razor, I highly suggest you pick it up. And it doesn't give me razor burn under my arms either, which is a good thing. So next thing I use is the Gillette Satin Care Sensitive Skin Shave Gel. I always use shaving cream. I never dry shave. I never just use water. I always have some sort of shaving cream because that prevents like razor burn and bumps and all that stuff. So I always use shaving cream. However, I don't use shaving cream downstairs, if you guys know what I'm talking about, because if you get this stuff up inside your like girly areas, this is like a yeast infection waiting to happen. So I would highly recommend that you switch over to an electric hair trimmer if you do, trim downstairs. So we won't get into that, but I'm just saying, don't use shaving cream and don't use a razor because that's gonna give you, just don't do it. Ingrown hairs are not fun. So get an electric trimmer. And also the deodorant that I find that works the best, I prefer men's deodorant for the smell, but any deodorant that is highly scented, it does give me like razor burn under my arms. So the deodorant I use is the Sure Regular Original Solid, and this has no scent and it's antiperspirant and it's a deodorant. So it's gonna help with your sweating and it's gonna help with your stinkiness, and it's a 48-hour confidence. So I guess you could use this and not stink for 48 hours. So that is the deodorant I use. I also do this in between my legs if I'm wearing like shorts. If you've ever had inner chafing from walking around all day, it sucks. So if you're gonna be walking around all day and you're gonna sweat, definitely put this in between your legs. I'm just saying, it works. So also the body gel that I use is the hyaluronic acid body gel lotion from Bath & Body Works. So what I love about this, it's a water-based solution, and also hyaluronic acid is anti-aging. So when I put it on, I think everything is like firming up. I don't know if it actually works, but the thought of it firming keeps me reusing it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some face masks. So I do face masks about twice a week. So what I do when I am at the end of my run week, so I run Monday through Thursday. So on Thursdays, I will go ahead and do this Powerlifter activated charcoal mask from Bath & Body Works. I love this guy. I picked up like 4 of them during the semi-annual sale. I'm not sure if they still have this on their website. If they do, I'll link it below, but I think that they were discontinuing it, which really sucks. But I love this because I am acne prone. So at the end of my running week, after I have all of the sweating that's been going on throughout the week, I like to have a charcoal mask to go ahead and pull out, you know, more of the ickies and just pull it off. So I use this once a week. Usually it's on Thursday nights. And then on Saturday morning or Saturday evenings, I will use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. This stuff is so good, you guys. So I put it on my skin on Saturday night. So I'm woken up to baby soft glowing skin for the start of my couponing week. I know this sounds weird, but literally this is my ritual before I go couponing, because it just gives me just like, I wake up in the morning and just like, a new day, a new week of couponing. So this is what I use. You guys are always asking me why my skin is always so glowy. Here you go, it's the Glow Recipe. And it smells literally like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. And at first I was like, oh, this is gimmicky. It's just because of the scent of the watermelon, like it's not gonna do anything. No, it really does. So you just slap this on before you go to bed, and then when you wake up, you just kind of rinse it off, and then literally your skin is glowing. And actually, I was watching Jaclyn Hill, and Jaclyn Hill mentioned that Jeffree Star raves about this stuff too. So if it's good enough for Jeffree and Jaclyn, then it's good enough for me, because I love the both of them. So let's start talking skincare, because that's why you guys are here. So my favorite skin cleanser is from Juice Beauty. I don't have any right now because I ran out, and I never buy Juice Beauty unless I can get it on a deal. So either I'll wait until I get a 20% off Ulta coupon for Platinum members so I can take 20% off of it, or sometimes Ulta will run promotions. If you spend $50 on Juice, then you get the cleanser for free. So I use the brightening cleanser. That's my favorite cleanser to use by Juice Beauty. But if I'm currently out of it, which I currently am right now, I just go ahead and just use the Cerave hydrating cleanser. So I use this because it is dermatologist recommended. It also has hyaluronic acid as well. So that is an anti-aging ingredient that's in here. It's very good for sensitive skin, but you can also use this on your whole entire body. So I just have this little guy in my shower. So I use this for my face, and then I use it for my whole entire body too, and I don't have any issues. I don't like having highly scented body gels, so I just go ahead and do this because I do have a 3-month-old, so he's constantly like on my chest and I'm holding him, and I don't want him to get irritated with any scents that I may have. So I'll use this if I'm out of my Juice Beauty, which I currently am. And then if I have any like breakouts, like active breakouts, I will go ahead and just use the Clinique liquid facial soap. This is the mild facial soap. So if I have any breakouts at all that are active breakouts, this is what I'll use until it clears up, because it's a mild soap, and my dermatologist recommended that to me for when I have active breakouts. And then I do use a toner. I use a toner twice a day. So I'm currently working through the Clinique clarifying lotion. It's also an exfoliant. I'm really not picky with toners. I just don't like the, there's the Neutrogena acne one. I don't like using any one that's specific to acne because I find that it's very harsh on my skin. So I just like going in with a very mild toner. The Simple line is fantastic as well. And then I always use the Assured cotton rounds. I get these from the Dollar Tree. These are fantastic, and it does its job. So let's talk about makeup removers. So I picked up the CeraVe makeup removing cleansing cloths. I hate these. I'm going through them because I bought them, but I do not like these. Why I don't like them is because they burn around my eyes. So I will not use this to take off my eye makeup. I'll just use this to take off my face makeup, but I would not recommend these to you guys because it does burn around the eyes. My favorite, all-time favorite makeup remover wipe is the Neutrogena makeup wipe. So I will be forever loyal to those because they are the ones that work the best. So let's go ahead and talk about moisturizers. So in the morning time, I will go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I love this stuff so much. So I love the scent, and something else that I love about it, it is a gel-based moisturizer, so it really is hydrating and it makes my skin really soft, and the scent really perks me up in the morning time. So I like having fruity, citrusy scents when I wake up because they just make me happy. They boost my mood. So I always gravitate towards this in the morning time, and then I will pair it with 2 different eye creams. So I'm currently out of my Juice Beauty because I'm waiting for Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, which is coming up for Juice Beauty. So they're gonna have 50% off of the Juice Beauty skincare set. So I'm gonna have the date below. Make sure you snag it so you can get the, they have like an anti-aging set that's gonna be 50% off, and it comes with the anti-aging wrinkle serum, and it also comes with the eye cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and snag 2 of those so I don't run out. So I tested it the last time that the 21 Days of Beauty was going on, and I fell in love with it. And honestly, if I could only use Juice Beauty in the morning, that's what I would do, but I ran out. But that's not gonna happen this time. But I've been going back and forth with these 2 eye creams. So I've been using the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. So again, this has hydraulic acid in it, so it is a anti-aging ingredient that is in this eye cream right here. So I picked this up couponing, so I wanted to go ahead and give it a try, and it definitely does hydrate. It does brighten as well. But me, I'm really not picky when it comes to eye creams, but I like this one because it is a gel consistency. So the other one that I've been working my way through is the Timewise Firming Eye Cream. So in terms of firming my under eyes, I have not been able to tell a difference, but for hydrating the under eye, it is more of a thicker cream, but important when you guys are putting on your eye creams, make sure you're using your ring finger and just gently dabbing. That's what you need to do. So I recommend both of these. I don't like them any more than the other. Also, you'll hear Sawyer running around. Go get Sister Sawyer. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna talk about is my foundation that I have been wearing, and it is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. So I love the fact that this has an SPF 30 because my Glow Recipe moisturizer doesn't have SPF. I wish that Juice I wish Glow Recipe would come out with an SPF with their moisturizers, but they don't have it. But I've just been slapping this on. So like I said, it's SPF 30. It does have a slight smell of SPF. So if you don't like sunscreen scents, you might not like this. But I love the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. Just a little tip, that has helped me avoid stretch marks in all of my pregnancies. So if you're currently pregnant and you're looking for a cream to help reduce stretch marks, I highly suggest you pick up the Ultra Repair cream, which is also on special for the 21 Days of Beauty. I'll just link the ad below and the specific things that I mentioned if you guys want to check them out. So if you want to prevent stretch marks, go for the Ultra Repair cream. But I love this because it just gives me a slight tint of color to like cover up my redness. As you can see, I have no makeup on right now, and you guys can see that I have a lot of red pigment in my face just because I just have sensitive skin, and I just got out of the shower and I was running earlier, so yeah. So this is what I use for my foundation, and it is fantastic. But let's talk about sunscreen. Now that I just remembered about running, let me go and get my sunscreen, and you guys are in luck because you get to see my Christmas PJs, yay! I wasn't kidding, look. My PJs have the nutcrackers on it. But I did get dressed up for you guys. I put an actual shirt on. So I have nutcracker pajamas on and a white t-shirt. Usually I'm wearing my Starbucks tee that I wear like every day, but I decided to get dressed up for you guys and I put on a real shirt. So the sunscreen that I've been wearing for my face is the Sport Face by Neutrogena. So there's currently a deal going on at Target. This guy was like $2.99, something like that. So check my in-store Target video. I'll have it linked below if you guys want to check that deal out. But I love this because it doesn't clog my pores. It doesn't sweat off. So when I'm running and sweating like a pig, it's not gonna melt off. So I love that. And then just for my body, I just go Copper Tone Sport 30 spray. But remember, when you are spraying your sunscreen, you need to rub it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this edition of Must Have Mondays. You guys have asked me so many times about my skincare, and this is my skincare. And also something that I travel with is this Grove bag. It's a reusable Ziploc bag. Actually, Nicole Burgess sent this to me as a gift, and I absolutely love it because your liquids aren't gonna leak out into your suitcase. So I always travel with this guy. So I'm gonna leave a link to Grove if you wanna check this out as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Let me know what your skincare favorites are, and definitely do not skip out on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty because there are some fantastic things. So like I said, I'm gonna leave my favorites below. I'll link it and I'll put a date of when this sale is going on. You can take advantage of these in store and online, and you get free shipping if you are a platinum member. And here is the man that makes this all possible. My husband right there. Say hi. Oh, and baby Tanner. Baby Tanner.
Say hi,
so
baby Tanner.
Make sure you guys use all of the items that I recommended so you can get baby soft skin like this guy. Oh, and this girl. Come here, Scarlett. You want to say bye?
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Say bye, Tarzan.
Bye, Tarzan.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We're talking about Juice Beauty.
Oh, I love Juice Beauty.
I know.
Oh, boy. My favorite.
Juice Beauty. No, the scent. It's the scent. The scent just makes me so happy.
I would spend $100 on that.
No, it's on promotion. 50% off. Yeah, 50% off with Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty.
Oh, I love that.
We love Ulta 21 Days of Beauty.
Oh, that's what I get for Christmas.
You know, guys should do skincare too.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys.